The lesson we're looking at today is Counting On to Add. The picture cards are by Allison from Teachers Pay Teachers. So here we have 4 blocks that are connected together, and we have more over here on the side. So what we are going to use is this strategy right here, counting on to add. We see that we have 4. We don't have to count from the beginning and say 1, 2, 3, 4. We can start with 4 and then we see that we have 1, 2 more. So counting on, circle your 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 is a part, 2 is a part, and the whole is 6. All of it together. A part plus a part equals a whole. The next number that we are going to count on to add is the number 9. We have 9 scissors. This time we don't have a picture of 9 of them, but we have 9 and we are going to add 1 more. 9 and 1 more. So circle your 9. Draw an arrow to count on. 9, count on. 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 is a part, 1 is a part, and 10 is the whole. The next one we are going to add is balloons and more balloons. Here we have 7 balloons and we have 2 more that we are going to add to that. We have 7, count on, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 is a part. We add 2 more as the part, and 9 is the whole or the total. The next one we are going to do is 6 books and 2 more. So on your board, you're going to write 6, and representing those 2 books, you're going to draw 1 book, 2 books. You don't have to draw the books, you can draw dots to represent the books. Circling the 6 and counting on 6, 7, 8. Counting on the next numbers in sequence. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 is a part plus 2 is a part equals 8 as the whole. The next one we're going to do is 6 connecting cubes and 3 more. So we're going to write the number 6 and 3 more dots. Let's circle the 6 and say 6. 6, count on, 7, 8, 9. So my total is 9. There are 9 altogether. 6 plus 3 more equals 9. 6 is a part, 3 is a part, and 9 is the whole. Everything around the plus symbol has to be a part. Here we have the number 4, and we have 3 more apples. So on your paper, you're going to write the number 4 and make 1, 2, 3 dots to count on to add. We start with the number 4, and then we make our jumps after the 4. So here we have 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that our total of all the apples together is 7. We have 4 and added 3 more, totaling 7. 4 is a part, plus 3 is a part, and 7 is the whole or the total. A couple more. Here we have pencils. Okay, we're starting with 8 pencils. So let's write 8, and we're adding 2 more. Remember that when we start with 8, we don't make that 1 more. We do 8 and count on after that. 9, 10. So 8 and 2 jumps equals 10 altogether. So the first part we had was 8 plus 2 jumps gives us a whole or total of 10. And I have one more picture card. Here we have 5 cubes. Let's write the number 5. We don't need to start counting at 1. We can just say the number 5 and then the next number. We have 3 cubes that we are counting on. So let's circle 5 and say 5. 5, count on. 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 more gives us a whole or a total of 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 is a part, plus 3 is a part, equals 8 as the whole or the total. Now we're going to move into addition problems that have no pictures. You have 2 numbers that you are adding together. You have a plus symbol in the middle and an equal sign near the end. 5 plus 3 equals blank. So we're going to write this problem down on our boards. 5 plus 3. And we're using that strategy of counting on to add. What I like to do is circle my first number or the greater number, which is 5, and I like to make 3 dots above the next number and count on. Here I have 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's do another card. The next card says 8 plus 2. So let's write 8 on our board plus 2 equals blank. I'm circling the number I'm going to start counting with. That's my part. And I'm going to draw dots to represent the second part so I can count on. 8, count on, ready? 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Next problem. Here we have blank equals 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. I know I like to start with my greater number, which is 9. So I'm going to draw dots to represent the number 1. 1 dot. Let's count from 9 on. Ready? 9, count on. 10. So my total or whole is 10. Let's read from left to right. Okay, this says 10 equals 9 plus 1. Next problem is blank equals 4 plus 3. I'm going to circle my greater number, which is 4, and I'm going to draw dots to represent the number 3. So I'm going to start at 1 and count 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. Let's count on 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now let's read from left to right. Start on the left. Ready? 7 equals 4 plus 3.